Okay guys, this is still Unit 9 for Monday, May 18th, and we're finishing up for today. This is our last part, Part 3. We're still on we're on the student book, page 112. We went over in the last video the grammar chart at the top. I hope you took the time to do the QR reader. It has a little video there. And now we're going to start with part 2. The first thing I want to do is go through those 8 pictures, the vocabulary in them. I'm going to say, and then you can repeat after me. Fix the dryer. Fix the dryer. Unclog the sink. Unclog the sink. Clean the carpet. Clean the carpet. Repair the oven. Repair the oven. Fix the lock. Fix the lock. Fix the window. Fix the window. Repair the dishwasher. Repair the dishwasher. Change the light bulb. Change the light bulb. Okay, so we're going to use those to complete the sentences in part in the bottom 1 through 8. I'm going to go ahead and play the dialogue that goes along with it, and then we'll go over the answers together.
12, Exercise 2A, Track 26. 1. Could you fix the dryer, please?
Yes, of course.
2. Can you unclog the sink, please?
No, not now. Maybe later.
3. Would you clean the carpet, please?
Sorry, I can't right now.
4. Will you repair the oven?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
5. Will you fix the lock, please?
No, not now. Maybe later.
6. Could you fix the window, please?
Yes, of course.
7. Would you repair the dishwasher, please?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
8. Can you change the light bulb?
Sorry, I can't right now.
Okay, so there's the sentences. If you need to replay them to write them down, go ahead and do that, but I'm going to go ahead and start on the answers. So number 1 is done for you. Could you fix the dryer, please? Yes, of course. So number 2, we see unclog the sink, and we're given the word can. So can you unclog the sink, please? Okay, and when we're asking please, we're going to put a comma before please. Number 3 says, oh, he said no, not now, maybe later on number 2. And then number 3, we see a picture of clean the carpet, and we're given the word would. So would you clean the carpet, please? Okay? And then, sorry, I can't right now. Number 4, we see repair the oven. We're given the word will. You. Will you repair the oven, please? Okay. And the answer is sure. I'd be happy to. Number 5, we see fix the lock. So we're going to write, will you fix the lock, please? Okay. And the answer is nope. Not now, maybe later. Okay. Number 6, we see fix the window, and we're given the word could. So we're going to write you fix the window, please. Could you fix the window, please? Sure, I'd be happy to. Oh, it says yes, of course, sorry. And number 7, we see repair the dishwasher, and we're given the word would you repair the dishwasher, please? Right? Sure, I'd be happy to. And last one, number 8 says we're change of the light bulb. We're given the word can. So can you change the light bulb, please? Okay, so there's your answers for the practice on part 2. Go ahead and make any corrections. It would probably be good to go ahead and pause the video and practice those sentences. Practice with someone. If you have someone to practice with, practice asking and answering those questions, and then switch. If you ask the questions the first time, then the next time you need to answer them. So that will this gives you practice writing. The other one will give you practice with your reading and fluency and your speaking. So go ahead and do those, and then come back to the video. And I'm going to pause it and erase our screen. Okay, guys, we're back, and we are going to cover workbook pages 104 and 105. So you need to get your workbooks out. They're the white book that we use for homework. So go ahead, and if you need to, stop the video, complete page 104 and 105, and then come back and we will go over them together. So on part 1, it says rewrite the questions, use the words in parentheses. So we're just changing the way we're asking the question. So number 1 says, can you call a plumber, please? Well, in the parentheses it says could. So we're just going to change that can to could. Excuse me, and it says, could you call a plumber, please? So on number 2, it says, could you fix the window, please? And it's wanting us to change to would. So you should have said, would you fix the window, please? Okay, we're only changing the first word to the one in parentheses. Would you fix the lock, please? And they're wanting us to use the word will. So we're going to say, will you fix the lock, please? Okay. Will you fix the lock, please? Okay, number 4, could you fix the dryer, please? Could you fix the dryer, please? They're wanting us to use the word would. So would you fix the dryer? Would you fix the dryer, please? Number 5, would you unclog the sink, please? Would you unclog the sink, please? We're going to change it to could. Could you unclog the sink, please? Okay. Could you unclog the sink, please? Number 6 says, would you repair the oven, please? Would you repair the oven, please? And they're wanting us to change it to can. So can you repair the oven, please? Can you repair the oven, please? Okay. So what I would like for you to do is, if you need to, stop the video and make any corrections for part 2. I'm going to start the video and clear our screen, and this is part 1, sorry. Stop the video, make any corrections to part 1. I'm going to stop the video, clear the screen, and get ready for part 2. Okay, so hopefully you've done part 2, and we're just going to check your answers together. Now, these statements, some of them doesn't make any sense. You have a positive with a negative or a negative with a positive, and they need to agree. If you're saying yes, it needs to be positive. If you're saying no, it needs to be negative. So let's look at number 1 together. Could you fix the window? It says no, I'd be happy to. So you're saying no, and I'd be happy to. So you have a negative, no, I'd be happy to is a positive. It doesn't agree. So let's look at answer B. Yes, of course. You have yes, that's positive. Of course, that's positive. They agree, so the answer is B. So let's look at number 2. Would you repair the dishwasher? A says, sorry, I can't right now. And B says, sorry, I'd be happy to. Sorry is negative. I'd be happy to is positive, so it doesn't agree. So the answer is going to be A, right? So, sorry, I can't right now. Sorry is no, I can't is no. It's in agreement, okay? Number 3, can you unclog the sink? Can you unclog the sink? No, of course. So that doesn't make any sense. You have no, that's negative, and of course, that's positive. So let's look at B. Yes, I'd be happy to. Both are positive. They're in agreement. So your answer is B. Oh, let me write that on there. Sorry. There you go. Okay, number 4. Will you fix the lock now, please? Will you fix the lock now, please? So A says no, not now, maybe later. And B says no, I'd be happy to. No means negative. I'd be happy to is positive, so it does not agree. So A says no, not now, maybe later. Both are negative, so they're in agreement. So your answer is going to be A. Could you call an electrician now, please? A says, sure, maybe later. So sure means yes, maybe later means no. So they don't agree. So let's look at B. Yes, of course. Both mean yes. Yes means obviously yes. Of course means yes. So that's going to be an agreement. So B is going to be our answer for that one. Okay. Would you repair the toilet now, please? No, I can right now. So we have no, but I can. So no is negative, I can is positive. They do not agree. So let's look at B. Sorry, I can't right now. Sorry is negative, I can't is negative. They're in agreement. It makes sense. So your answer is going to be B. So there's your answers for part 2. Go ahead, make any corrections that you need to, and then we're going to move on to part 3 on page 105. So part 3, we're given words in parentheses to make a question out of. So number 1 says, could fix window. Could you fix the window, please? Is going to be the way we would write the question. And then the answer is going to be, sure, I'd be happy to. So number 2, we're given would repair refrigerator. So it's going to be would you repair the refrigerator, please? Okay, so we're using those oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so we're using the words that they gave us and we're just making a full sentence out of it, okay? So would you repair the refrigerator, please? And they say, no, not right now, maybe later. So in number 3, we're given can fix light. So we're going to make the sentences the sentence, can you fix the light, please? Right? Can you fix the light, please? Yes, of course. Right? Number 4, will unclog sink. Will you unclog the sink? Oh, please. Let's be polite, right? Be nice. Say please. All right. Will you unclog the sink, please? Let's look at sorry, I can't right now is the answer. Okay, so could repair lock. Could repair lock. So could you repair the lock, please? Could you repair the lock, please? And number 6, the answer to number 5 is no, not now, maybe later. And number 6 says, would fix dishwasher. Would you fix the dishwasher, please? Okay, would you fix the dishwasher, please? Yes, of course. I would be happy to. So these are your answers for part 3. Go ahead and stop your video if you need to and make any corrections. I'm going to stop my video and I'm going to clear the page and get ready for part 4. Before I start giving the answers for number 4, it may also be a good idea for you to stop the video and practice answering and asking the questions for part 3. You know, that gives us reading and fluency and practice speaking. So that's a good thing to do. And the same thing for part 4 once we're finished with it. So hopefully we'll get through part 4. Let's see. Okay, so 1 says, could you fix the light, please? No, maybe later. So that was number 1 on the checklist. So number 2 says, could you, and we're given unclog the sink. Oh, the bathtub, sorry. Could you unclog the bathtub, please? Now, who would we call if we needed someone to unclog the bathtub? We would call a plumber. That's okay? And it says, yes, of course. And then we're given number 3. Says, could you change, we're given change the light bulb. So we're going to say, could you change the light bulb, please? Could you change the light bulb, please? Sorry, I can't right now. Who would we probably wouldn't call anybody to change a light bulb. That's something we can do ourselves, right? And number 4 says repair the dishwasher. Could you repair the dishwasher, please? Could you repair the dishwasher, please? Who would we call to repair a dishwasher? Maybe an appliance repair person, probably not a plumber. And the answer is sure, I'd be happy to. Number 5, we're looking at cleaning the carpet. Could you clean the carpet, please? Okay, could you clean the carpet, please? Now, if it was a big stain and we couldn't get it out, who would we call to clean our carpet? They have carpet cleaners that will come out and steam your carpet to get out stains. So we would have to call a carpet cleaner. So number 6 says call a plumber. Could you call a plumber, please? Could you call a plumber, please? And the answer is no, maybe later. Okay, so we're done for part 3. What I would like for you to do is leave your name in the comments so you get credit for watching the videos. Please leave your name in every single video that you watch so you can get credit for attending class, and I'll see everybody back on Wednesday.